Class 10th Geography, Chapter Climate of India. Today we will study this chapter. This is the first part of this chapter. Let's begin with the chapter. The climate of a country is mainly based on the study of its temperature, rainfall, atmospheric pressure, and direction of winds. The climate of India is greatly influenced by two factors. First, Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, dividing the country into two halves, North Temperate Zone and South Tropical Zone. Second, Great Himalayan Range, separating the Indian subcontinent from the rest of Asia, thus preventing the bitter cold winds from the Central Asia from entering the country. The one factor which unifies the climate of India is the fact of monsoons with alternation of seasons and reversal of winds. Therefore, the climate of India can be described as tropical monsoon type of climate. The places to the north of Tropic of Cancer experience continental type of climate, that is very hot during summers and very cold during winter. Example, temperature rises up to 50 degrees Celsius in Rajasthan during summer, while in Dras near Kargil, the temperature may go down to minus 40 degrees Celsius during winter. The places to the south of Tropic of Cancer, being nearer to the equator, remain hot with average temperature of 25 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius throughout the year. They do not experience winter at all. For example, Bengaluru in the south. The places situated on the vast east-west coastline of India experiences equable or maritime or oceanic type of climate, that is neither too hot nor too cold throughout the year, due to moderating influence of the sea. Example, Mumbai, Goa and Chennai. Whereas the places in the interior north have the annual range of temperature up to 20 degrees Celsius, in the coastal region may have only about 3 degrees to 5 degrees Celsius. The annual rainfall varies from about 1187 centimeters at Mawson Ram, a station 16 kilometers west of Cherrapunji in the state of Meghalaya, the highest in the world, to less than 25 centimeters in the Thar Desert in Rajasthan. The erratic nature of monsoon plays havoc at times due to unprecedented rainfall. As a result, parts of India may suffer due to floods, while other places may have severe drought conditions. The winter coast gets its heaviest rainfall during June by southwest monsoon, while the eastern coast remains comparatively dry during summer. It gets maximum rainfall during winter. Himalayan regions at higher altitude get heavy snowfall during winter, while the places in South India, even at higher altitude, never experience any snowfall, being nearer to the equator. Factors affecting the temperature: location or latitudinal extent. Latitude-wise, the Tropic of Cancer divides India into temperate or subtropical north and tropical south. The northernmost part of India is occupied by high mountains. The places situated north of Tropic of Cancer experience extreme or continental type of climate. The southern peninsula, enclosed on three sides by the Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal, experiences moderate climate, with coastal regions experiencing equable climate. Temperature in general increases from north to south. Influence of the Himalayas. The Great Himalayan Range obstructs the bitter cold winds from Siberia from entering the Indian subcontinent. The Himalayan Range intercepts the rain-bearing southwest monsoon winds, forcing them to shed their moisture, resulting in heavy rainfall in the northeast and Indo-Gangetic plain. Altitude. Temperature decreases with increasing altitude at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 166 meters. Hence, places situated in the higher altitude are cooler as compared to places in the plains. Distance from the sea. The places situated in the interior have extreme continental type of climate, whereas places situated near the sea have equable climate due to effect of land breeze and sea breeze caused by differential rate of heating and cooling of the land and sea. Western disturbances and tropical cyclones. During winter, there is an inflow of low pressure depressions called western disturbances in northwest India. These westerly depressions originate in the Mediterranean Sea and enter India after crossing Iraq, Afghanistan and Pakistan. They intensify over northwest India and move eastward, causing rain in Punjab and Haryana and snowfall in the Himalayan belt. During the summer, the whole of the east coast of India comes under the influence of tropical depressions, low pressure systems originating at the head of the Bay of Bengal. They cause heavy loss to life and property. The upper air currents or jet streams. The upper air currents or jet streams in the upper layer of the atmosphere could determine the onset and departure of the monsoon. Here ends the first part of this chapter.